Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you a couple different web browsers you can use, and a majority of you are probably used to Internet Explorer. I'll go over that. I'll show you Internet Explorer. I use Internet Explorer 7 on this computer. Well, I don't use it, I have it. If you go to YouTube or any other web page you want, doesn't really matter. Now say I wanted to save YouTube in my favorites in Internet Explorer. You can click your little star. Well, it's got a little green plus sign on it. Just click it and left click add to favorites. Name it whatever you want. Left click add, and it's now added to your favorites. And to get to it again, you just click your little star up here, scroll all the way down the bottom, and there it is. So if you left click it, it takes you back to whatever web page you were on. As you notice, Internet Explorer is slow, which is why I don't use it. I'm all about speed. Well, that's about it for Internet Explorer. I'll get more in depth on a browser, how to use browsers and what different features do in browsers in another video. Today I'm just going to show you different browsers and show you a little bit, just show you how to add stuff to the favorites and little things like that. So that's Internet Explorer. Firefox is what I use. Mainly, that's my main browser. Now, let's say you want to go to YouTube on this one also. Now, if I wanted to add this to my favorites, in Firefox, it's called Bookmarks. Same thing, just a different name. So let's left click it. You're going to left click bookmark this page. Call it whatever you want. Left click done, and it also is at the very bottom. And there it is. Alright, now the good thing about Firefox is it has what they call a bookmark toolbar, which means if I liked, let's just go to, let's go here. Now let's say I go to this web page quite often, I like it, I use it every day. Instead of going to the bookmarks and scrolling down and looking for it, you'll notice this little icon next to your address. Left click that little icon, hold the left mouse button down, and you can drag it down here until you get that little icon thing. Now let's say I want to go to Woot or YouTube, Geeks for Sex. I mean, these are all web pages I go to quite often. So it's real easy access. You get to it real quickly. You don't have to go scrolling through bookmarks. And another cool thing about Firefox is if you have multiple tabs open, to open tabs in Firefox, it's real simple. You just, on your keyboard, you'll see Control, which is bottom left-hand corner. It actually says CTRL on the button. So left-click it and push T. Or there's a little plus right here. You can click it and add a new tab also. Alright, now let's say, Lord have mercy, I got all kinds of things going. Alright, now let's say you wanted to search your tabs real quick. If you download Foxtab, it's a tool, it's a Firefox add-on. Just click Tools and go to Add-ons and search for Foxtab. You'll get this little icon. You can click it, and you can scroll through your current tabs, and pretty cool little 3D action. That's pretty neat. So that's Firefox. Now the other one is Chrome. Chrome is made by Google. I use it quite often too. As you can see, the second you open it, it instantly displays the last 8 web pages that you were on for easy access. You want to get to them quickly. I really do like that feature. Chrome I'll get into a little bit more. It's not that it's complicated, it's just things are in a very weird place in Chrome for some reason. But as you can see, Chrome is pretty well the same thing. If you want to add, say, this page to your bookmarks, you just click the little favorites, and there it is, and just hit close. So that's bookmarks. I'll get into this a little bit more, and like I said earlier, I'll post videos on a per browser, how to use a browser, what their features are, how to use the features, how to add add-ons, how to remove them. So for now, that's just a couple of browsers. There's a lot more. I might even post videos on Opera and some other ones. Alright, YouTube, if there's anything else you want to learn how to do or know about, just leave a comment or email me at whotookthenames2000@gmail.com, and I'll try to help you out. Alright, night, YouTube.